Hey everyone, thanks for checking out ViTAC's Minimalist Adventurer First Aid Kit. Right here, nice and easy pouch to get into. Open this up so you can check it out. Got athletic tape in here, we got an ace wrap in here, and then the rest of it works just like a little booklet, all right? Up front, we got Band-Aids, we got steri strips, we have liquid skin for wound closure, we even have transparent dressings to go over those wounds to keep bacteria out. We have moleskin, we have gauze pads, we have large Band-Aids, all that fun stuff. In the middle here, we got some scissors, we got your hydrocortisone cream, triple antibiotic, oral rehydration salt, water treatment tablets, soap wipes, some safety pins, and at the back here, we even have a med pack for all the little basic ailments that you run into while you're out adventuring. So again, guys, thanks so much for checking out our Adventurer Minimalist First Aid Kit. Safety third, go live that life.